Storm Dexter is bringing strong winds and heavy rain to parts of Scotland this weekend. The remnants of this tropical system, which formed in the Atlantic, are now sweeping across the northwest, creating unsettled conditions. Northern and western regions will see gusts up to 60 miles per hour and bursts of rain, while central and eastern areas will experience a brief warm-up early next week, with temperatures reaching the mid-20s Celsius. Despite the warmth, sudden weather changes remain possible, so stay alert for updated forecasts and warnings.